As the semiconductor industry advances towards next-generation semiconductor manufacturing, several significant challenges arise. A primary obstacle is the need for extreme precision and control and increasingly smaller scales, which complicates the manufacturing process and requires sophisticated equipment. Additionally, managing the thermal outputs of densely packed circuits without compromising performance or reliability poses a substantial challenge. The high R&D costs associated with developing these advanced technologies, coupled with the need to quickly scale production to meet global demand, also pose significant challenges. Furthermore, the industry also faces pressures from rapid technological advancements that require fast adaptation in equipment capabilities. Several key technological trends are shaping the future of semiconductor equipment. Firstly, there is an increasing reliance on extreme ultraviolet lithography to create final circuits on chips, which requires highly specialized equipment. Automation and advanced robotics are also becoming more prevalent, ensuring precision and efficiency in production. Furthermore, integrating IoT and edge devices with AI for real-time monitoring, control, and optimization enhances the manufacturing process, boosting productivity and minimizing downtime. Siemens is at the forefront of integrating AI, machine learning, and other advanced technologies into the development of next-generation machine automation. By leveraging AI and ML, Siemens can predict equipment failures before they occur, optimize maintenance schedules, and enhance overall equipment effectiveness. This proactive approach not only reduces downtime, but also extends the life of equipment. Additionally, Siemens uses these technologies to refine process control, which is crucial for maintaining the quality and consistency of semiconductor manufacturing. Through digital twins, Siemens creates virtual replicas of physical systems to simulate, predict, and optimize the fabrication processes before they are implemented, thus speeding up innovation and ensuring that new equipment meets rigorous standards of performance and reliability.